Hello princesses! Today I'm going to be talking about the Neogen BioPeel Gauze Peeling Wine. I had seen so many princesses using these in the wine, the green tea and the lemon formula as well, so I decided that I would pick some up. I think I got these like sometime last year, and basically I used them once, and because they are a chemical exfoliant as well as a physical exfoliant, I kind of really overdid it and just my face was very over exfoliated. So I left them alone for a couple of months and now I'm here to talk about them. So the product description says, Neogen BioPeel Gauze Peeling Wine is an easy to use, soft exfoliating pads that offer all the benefits of at-home peeling in one set. It provides gentle yet effective exfoliation of dead skin cells and impurities and lifting of sagging skin, leaving skin smoother, brighter and tighter. These peeling pads come housed in a massive plastic tub with a screw lid. There's quite a lot of excess liquid in the bottom, so there's no chance of these pads drying out. The pads themselves are very interesting. One side is a rough gauze and the other is a ultra plush cotton. The gauzy side will provide the physical exfoliation, though if your skin can only handle the chemical exfoliation, you can choose to use only the soft side. It is recommended to use both sides. They also smell so delicious. They smell like sweet grapes or like a bubblegum. To use this pad, I first use the gauze side to exfoliate my skin in circular motions with a very light hand. I find that if I press too hard, it will be too much on my skin, but with a light hand, my skin can handle it. I use the gauze side over my entire face, neck, hands, and sometimes even the rest of my arms. There is quite a lot of liquid in these. Then I flip the pad over and use the soft side over all of the previously mentioned areas. I'm not sure if this really adds anything of value, but it does feel nice. These pads contain both glycolic and lactic acids, which are fantastic AHAs. These help to remove any dead skin and reveal brighter looking skin. It is important to wash the liquid off your face afterwards, otherwise your skin will be very sticky and it's really quite unpleasant. My face looks slightly pinker in the after footage after this is rinsed off, but it feels so soft and beautifully prepared for the rest of my skincare. Even after my terrible first experience with these pads, I have quite grown to like them. I'm about halfway through the pads, so I think I probably have about 15 of them left, and I really do enjoy using them. I find that if I use a light hand, they provide just enough of the physical exfoliation that my skin wants, and the chemical exfoliation does definitely help to lift off any of those other dead skin cells and reveal really bright and soft skin underneath. Did I mention that they also smell like bubblegum, because I am totally into that. Oh my god, they smell so good. I swear, like if you went through all my videos, you could make like a 10-minute montage of me just like sniffing skincare products. I'm addicted to the scent of 90% of things. But these are fantastically fun to use, and if you have any friends that are looking to get into chemical exfoliation but are kind of like not quite ready for all of the steps and the wait times and the preparation of the skin, these are probably a really good thing to start them off with, because they're easy to use and they're a lot of fun and they smell really good. So it's like skintertainment at its best, really. The only downside for me is that this tub is so much bigger than I thought it would be, and it's really not portable. So this is like not the size of my face, but like it's close to it. And the pads inside, you probably cannot see that very well, but they're not actually as big as the tub is. I guess they're kind of as big as it is, but you know, like it's a lot of tub and not that much product. But they are super fun to use. They're not that expensive, so I find them to be around about 25 to 30 US dollars. There's 30 peeling pads in there, so they're around about $1 US for each use. It's not that bad and they are fun to use, so I definitely recommend them if you haven't tried them already. Thank you guys so much for watching this review, and I'll see you next time. Bye!